Hello guys, Mike here with 2-0 Scrapping. I'm going to show you how to take a yoke apart without the mess, I guess. We're going to start off by taking all the plastic off on top here. It's just going to be a cover. There's going to be a board. Just take off. Cut it. That should take it off. Alright. So this board here is usually attached to the top where all the wires from the yoke meet. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip it off. There we go. You can see right there all the copper wiring meets. Oh shit, I was seeing it on the camera. And there, all the copper wirings meet there. Just cut those. I mean, you can do a better cut than that, but I'm trying to do this pretty quick here. So, you know, it's the board. If you cut it nice, you can cut these like that, and then you should be able to take off the wire. But anyways, and then you're gonna have these copper windings here on each side. Pull those out like that. Collect my mess. And then you're gonna have some clamps here, one on each side. So, with a screwdriver, push down, come right off. Alright, and now we're gonna get this big piece here off, and there's like some glue they use here so that it attaches to it. Get underneath it, and then when we take the clamp off, there's an opening there, and you just stick the screwdriver, and it should pop right off like that. There's 2 parts, and then this is just easy. You can just, I think there's there's some little clamps there on each side. I usually just get some wire cutters, give it a little squeeze, and they should just break it right off. Like that. Oh, this one's gonna have a top ring here, and then there's copper in there. Once you get those clamps cut, make sure none of these rings are on here because you won't be able to open it. So once those rings are, those clamps are cut down there, you can just pull it. Yeah, it's plastic. And there's some nice copper right there. And then for this we might have to hit it with the hammer because this you pull on it on the ferrous part. And there we go. There's some good copper there. And then do the same thing for the other side. This. See, you don't make that much mess when you break these. And these, I don't know what it's called, but it's ferrous, magnetic. You can break them in little pieces and then cut yourself, poke yourself with it. So it's just better for me to take it apart this way. And just have the 2 nice pieces like that, and you just throw it in your ferrous bucket. And some plastic to recycle. And you got all your number 2 copper right here, and you just throw it just like this into your number 2 copper. Sometimes they have these little tapes here, and sometimes they have like this little magnet right here. You see that? You can take that off if you want to be nice. I guess towards your scrapyard, you can just leave it on. I don't think they really mind. At least they don't mind at my scrapyard. I don't know about everybody's scrapyard, you know, they're picky sometimes. But for this video, I guess I'll just take off the plastic and leave it as clean as I can. There, that's clean. This one doesn't have any ferrous material underneath the tape. So yeah, that's about it. So here you go. Nice, maybe a quarter of a pound, maybe less, copper. Just throw that in your number 2. And then these you can just collect them and then take them apart once you have a lot of, you know, inductors and capacitors, stuff like that you want to take apart, and you just throw that in the same batch. I have mine right here. Let me show you guys. Here's all my copper bearing stuff. See, I just throw it all in there, and then one day when I'm bored or have nothing to do, I'll take these apart, get the copper out of it. So that's about it for this video, guys. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, and then this top part, you can just give it a little twist, cut it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to cut it because it's pretty hard. Like that. Just break it out. It should just all come out with the plastic. Nice piece. Or a nice chunk of some copper. Yeah, look how pretty that is. I'm gonna throw this with my number 1 since there's no tarnish, no color to it. It's fairly clean, so I'll go in my number 1. So that's about it, guys, for this video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget that we are almost at 100 subscribers, and I'll be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. I don't know what I'm gonna be giving away yet, but it will be something good. It's something that you can use towards your scrapping adventures. So please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.